Hi, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your EAGems caliper. It's pretty easy. The screw that holds the battery cover on is located at the top here on the back side, right there. So I would hold my hand on the cover while you're doing it, but back that screw out and then catch it and put it in a place where you won't lose it, because they get lost pretty easily. Turn the cover over. Cover comes off very easily. Battery's right there. You can usually pry that out with your fingernail and put your new battery back in, plus side up. You can see the calipers coming on when I do that. And then this catch right here, insert that back in, and then hold the cover down with your thumb, put the screw back in, and then tighten it back down. Once you got it tight, should be good. Caliper comes on and off.